Before you share a photo online, there is one hidden detail you should always check: location metadata. Some photos can contain GPS coordinates inside the EXIF data. That means the image may reveal where it was taken, even if the location is not visible in the photo itself. With ExifInjector Location Checker, you can quickly see if your photo contains GPS data, then remove it if needed before sharing. First, open the Location Checker tool. Upload your photo by clicking Browse, or simply drag and drop it into the upload area. The tool supports common image formats like JPEG, PNG, WebP, HEIC, and RAW. Your file stays in your browser while the tool reads the embedded EXIF location tags. Now click Check Location Data. ExifInjector will scan the image and tell you if GPS coordinates are present. In this example, the result says no GPS data found. That means this image does not contain GPS coordinates and is safe to share publicly from a location privacy standpoint. If GPS data is found, you should remove the location metadata before publishing the image on your website, social media, marketplace, or sending it by email. Try ExifInjector today. Check your photos before sharing and protect your privacy with one simple scan.